Okay, this video is going to cover picking proper solutions for equations. So we have this equation here, negative 4n equals 20, and we're going to try out these different numbers to see those different choices at the bottom to see which one's going to work. The first thing you want to do is set up substitution. Now, in reality, you don't need to try every single one. You can eye it and just try to do mental math, but then write it out once you pick a choice. So for this first one, if you plug in a 24 for n, that is negative 96, and that's not equal to 20, so that's not going to work. So let's try in a positive 16. Well, you multiply those out, and that's not going to equal, that's not a true statement. If I put in a positive 5, you can multiply and you get negative 20 equaling 20. Well, that's not a true statement. If you plug in a negative 5, that does work out to 20. So 20 equals 20 is a true statement, so it's true. So negative 5 is your answer for this one. That's the number that would make the equation true. So negative 4 plus n equals 20. We're going to try out all the choices. Once again, if you're looking at the numbers, you can just write out and prove the one that you think is correct. So we're going to plug in the 24. And negative 4 plus 24 is 20, so that is a true statement. That's the one that works. Let's go ahead and try the others just to make sure there's no other choice. So when you put in a 16, you get the statement 12 equaling 20, and that's not true. If you plug in a 5, that's going to end up working out to a 1. 1 equaling 20 is not a true statement. If you plug in a negative 5, that's going to work out to negative 9, and that's not a true statement. So it would be expected, though, if you found the answer was 24, your teacher is most likely going to expect you to show the proof and you working it out that they do actually work. Let's go ahead and try another one. So now we have two operations going on. We have 4n plus 8 equaling negative 20. We're going to go ahead and set up some choices. We're going to try each one out. For the first one, we're going to plug in a 3. And a lot of kids will think that it's 3 because 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 8 is 20, but it's a positive 20, so that's not going to work. 20 is not equal to negative 20. And then a lot of kids will say, oh, well, if that was a positive 20, it must be the negative 3 then. Well, let's try it out and see if that works. So we're going to get a negative 12 plus 8. Well, that is not a true statement. Negative 4 is not equal to 20. Negative 20. So then we're going to plug in a 7. Well, 4 times 7 is 28. 28 and 8 make 36. So that's not a true statement. So we're down to this last one. Let's just make sure we're good with it. We're going to put in a negative 7. That works out to negative 28 plus 8. Well, when you work that out, that is a negative 20, and negative 20 is equal to negative 20, so this is a true statement. So negative 7 is your answer for this one. That's the solution for this equation. We have negative 2n plus 4 equaling negative 10. We're going to try some different choices. We're going to set it up. You might be leaning towards a particular number, but we're going to try all of them. If I put in a positive 3, that works out to negative 6 plus 4, which does not work out to negative 10. If you put in a negative 3, that works out to a 6 plus 4. Yeah, it's a 10, but 10 is not equal to negative 10. So we're going to try the next one. We're going to put in a 7. That becomes negative 14 plus 4 equaling negative 10. That is the true statement. 7 is the solution for this equation. So if we put in a negative 7, that would become a positive 14. And then you'd add those and you'd get an 18, and that's just not going to work. So your solution to this equation is the positive 7. I hope this helps. Best of luck to you.